Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a significant decrease in road fatalities in Jamaica. Now the Jamaica Constabulary Force is reporting a decrease in the number of road fatalities across the island. Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake explained that in March 2024 there was an increase in road fatalities where the country recorded 38 incidents, which represented a 27% increase compared to March 2023. He said this demanded an immediate and robust response from the JCF, and this included a ramping up of public education while simultaneously increasing enforcement of the roads. What we saw from this was an increase in the number of patrols that we executed, the establishment of more checkpoints, and greater focus on high-risk behaviors such as speeding and drunk driving, Dr. Blake said. The commissioner was speaking at a handover ceremony for 40 vehicles valued at over 313 million held at the office of the commissioner in St. Andrew. Dr. Blake stated that the strategies resulted in a 5% decrease in road fatalities in April compared to last year. Thanks to the cooperation of the motoring public, taking heed to the warnings and changing behavior, the reductions continued in May 2024, where we recorded a 3% reduction in road fatalities over May 2023, he said. As we continue to work with the public, the results continue to get even more impressive, as June saw a 33% reduction from June last year, and as of July 23, we have recorded only 9 fatalities, and that was getting us in line to having the very lowest month in recent history in road fatalities, and this was compared to a monthly average over the last 2 years of 34 road fatalities, he added. Dr. Blake noted that this significant decrease underscores the success of the JCF's continuous and targeted efforts, including the enhanced road traffic regulations and public education campaign. Meanwhile, the police commissioner said the addition of the 40 motor vehicles is an investment in the national security toolkit that we do not take lightly, and we recognize the responsibility to safety and strategically use these assets to maintain law and order. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are driving on Mountain View Avenue heading towards the airport. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.